Okay, so today I'm showing lock repair. I will be showing how to use the crochet hook to combine your locks. Some of my locks are thinning like towards the middle, and yeah, I need to combine them. At first, initially I thought I would like a thinner lock look, but I'm gonna combine them. So right here you see me beginning to use the crochet needle. No, I wasn't using the needle right here, sorry. Just combing out the ends and then combining it together. And here now I'm using a crochet needle. So when you're using this crochet needle, you can turn it away from your hair. You're gonna take a couple strands of hair and hook it in and begin to combine it into the next lock and begin to go up in and out, just like your, I don't know how to say it, like sew. It's not sewing, it's like I don't know how to use the word, guys, but anyways, doing that motion in and out, like weaving, yes, that's the word, sorry, weaving. You can weave it in and out, and make sure the needles are facing away from your body, basically like opposite. And I'm gonna do it up close of the needle, showing that the little hooks are facing away from the hair, and you're just hooking it in between and putting it together. Okay, here, just going. And for the rest of the video, you'll see I'm just continuing the motion. Then I'm gonna put my lock and twist gel on it. That's just to like seal whatever you did. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. Thank y'all.